Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Terraform and Azure CLI installed and you're logged in. Once done, set the active subscription with As account set so Terraform targets the right tenant. Next, create a project folder and 2 files, provider, TF to configure the Azure provider with required version and features, and main, TF where the resource group block will live. Make sure you initialize a getIgnored state file and save your subscription ID for provider configuration. You now author the resource definition. In main, TF add Azure resource group with a clear name and an Azure location, referencing variables for flexibility. Then populate variables, TF with defaults for name and location, and add Terraform. TF vars for environment-specific values. This keeps secrets out of source. Once your files are ready, run Terraform init to download the provider, then Terraform validate to catch syntax or schema errors. Make sure your provider has subscription and tenant properly set. You finish by running Terraform plan to inspect the planned resource creation, and then Terraform apply auto-approve to create the resource group. Once applied, verify by using As Group Show or the Azure portal to confirm the group exists. If things go wrong, start by checking provider authentication and the active subscription. Misconfigured credentials or wrong subscription are the most common causes. Also confirm the resource group name complies with Azure naming rules and retry Terraform. Apply after correcting issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.